Hello and welcome to the video where I share my thoughts on top 9 must-have AI writer features. I use quite a few myself and I review even more. And based on my experience, I would like to share with you my opinion about which features an ideal AI writer should have. But before that, I would like to share my opinion about, do we even still need AI writer when we have ChatGPT? And I think yes, we'll need one because, for example, some time ago there were a few models for AI image generation like Stable Diffusion or Midjourney or one from OpenAI. And over time appeared more models, probably based on Stable Diffusion or other models, which are better at a specific task. For example, at game character design or anime character design or creating even LinkedIn portraits. So ChatGPT is great all-rounder tool, but a particular AI writer would be better and save more time with better and more streamlined workflows for content generation. Watch till the end of the video and you will get recommendation of the secret bonus tool, my favorite AI writer tool at the moment, which you can pick on a good deal right now. Let's start with number 9, comments and recipes. For example, you have defined a structure for your review blog post and you would like to keep the same structure for similar type of products. In Brainwork, you can do it with comments like that. Similar concept on example of Yara. There are templates and you can even create your own templates and reuse those so you can achieve the similar results. Let's get to number 8, Smart Chat and Data Hub or Infobase. In many AI writers, there are a lot of templates, tools, and recipes tailored to a particular need. But nowadays, if there is a template, it should be very laser focused. For example, in niches, there is a template for AppSumo style app description. Because nowadays, you don't need to search for a particular tool. You just can type what you need in a chat and get a result. You can ask for meta description. You can ask to generate a list of 10 FAQs. And in some chats, you can even save your pieces of content to be able to refer those later. For example, here I saved a description of a website and referred that in a chat feature. Number 7, a good looking design. Well, it's not exactly a feature. However, if I use the tool, I would like it to be good looking with a very nice user experience. From the recent tools, I liked how the design of the Yara is structured. Number 6, good editor and well-formatted output. Well, the main purpose of AI Writer is to give you a high-quality content, and mostly for sure, you will be editing this content in other tools. However, I would like to see a simple, nice-looking editor where I can examine the quality of the content right away. It doesn't need to be fancy, but it should be clean and easy to use. And just to compare, here how the output of the AI writer may look like in other tools. Number 5, additional team members. Ideally, if you invest in a tool, it is good to have an option to invite a team member, for example, a virtual assistant who may help you with the content generation. And here is a recent example. Yara has licensed tiers with several users included. Number 4, stock images. While you may have subscription to a stock image provider, still it is better to add images right into the content in the tool. I like how WordCraft implemented that. You just put a keyword, search for an image, and then you can add an image as simply as just in one click of a button. Isn't it great? And here is another example of the integration with the stock images. You put your keywords and just select your image. Alright, number 3, long-form creator. Well, in any modern AI writer, there should be a specific tool dedicated to long-form article creation. For example, in ToolKit. Number 2, talking points. Not every AI writer has this feature. I will show you an example of Copy AI. Here I have generated the blog outline, and then there was an additional step to generate talking points. So for each outline generated, I have more control of what will be inside that paragraph. And number 1, what is it? And it is factual, latest, and cited content. I will show you on the example of ToolKit. I have my long tail keyword, how to use the latest version of Midjourney. So ideal AI writer should be able to fetch the latest content on the topic and provide the sources where did it get information from. So you can double check it yourself. So again, my number 1 feature for any AI writer, it is factual content and ability of an AI writer to search the web and use the latest information and utilize that in the blog post. And at the moment, ToolKit is really my favorite AI writing tool, which I can recommend and which I personally use the most at the moment. I will leave the link to it in the description. Put in the comments below what you think is the best AI feature or a must-have AI feature or what I missed. If you would like to try tools mentioned in this video, please check the links in the description below. Hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.